quicken tree, and we're seeing the first exposure just by the entrance. So we can see that there's some big blocks, but these are not in situ, they've been put there. And as we start to look at the rocks that are in situ, we can see here that they're a bit thinning and thickening, so channels are evident. And that looks like a soil on the top. That vertical plane we think is a fault or a joint. It's quite vertical and it's cutting through the bedding. Therefore, but it doesn't look like it's displacing the bedding, so in all probability it's a lateral fault. And then we look round, further around, not a huge amount of section, but you can see the weathering is picking out the weaker, finer material. We've got a bit of exposure under the tree, but nothing surprisingly different. So moving on to the southern side, we can see this little bridge going over by the talking trees. There's the one there, and there's the other one there, and the one's starting to wave at you there. Look at these little branches going. And what we can see here, we have some exposures which are a little fine at the top, so of course big blocky units are in the wall. And we can see that it goes down, and there's a waterfall, and it goes down to a pond down there. It's all artificial, that waterfall. So there's a bedding plane creating a little platform just there. And this is obviously being quarried. And there's another bedding plane right there where they put some little characters on it. The bedding here, if we go cut across, we can see fine bedding at the top, and then similar, and there you are, you can see the fine bedding at the top just as we saw at the entrance. So I don't think there's a major fault between the left and the north and the south, but you can see the massive bedding underneath. And earlier on we had a walk around and we saw the pond, and this has obviously been a quarry in the past, and these large blocks have been cut and used for probably building stone.